Hey guys, so this is going to be a 5 minute review of Mailerlite. And what Mailerlite is, if you're looking for an email software so you can start sending emails and broadcasting to your audience or start collecting emails, I think it's a great option. I have tested a lot of these options: Mailchimp, Active Campaign, Constant Contact, several others that I don't remember right now that are more expensive and don't do the work as Mailerlite does. So they do have customer support. Their customer support is great. I would definitely recommend. They integrate with all of the major players. You have Zapier here, so don't worry about it. The templates they have for their landing pages are very good, and the pricing it's just phenomenal. You can start for free, so it's a non-brainer. If you don't have a email software, I would recommend to get MailerLite. Free up to 1,000 subscribers. Get it. I'll leave a special link below this video so you can grab it before they raise that price or before they lower the subscribers or before they do any change, because I see this company growing up very fast and changing their price structure because right now it's ridiculous. It's a great buy. Okay, 12,000 monthly emails for free. One user, you have email support, you have website. You can build your website for free. You can have 10 landing pages there, sign up forms. So it's just great. So here's my account dashboard. You have all the major information that you may need. How many emails you've sent, what's the history in that, the open rate, the clicks, how it's like any new subscribers coming in this month or this week. Then you have your campaigns. That's where you send emails to your audience, right? And it's pretty straightforward. I like it because it shows right there. I don't have to go inside each email to find the numbers, so it's really convenient. You can start building automations, meaning if a subscriber joins, you can put them in a specific list, and Mailerlite calls it groups. So if you go to subscribers here and then go to groups, you can create different groups and put your people in those specific boxes, right? Some other softwares call them lists. Same thing. But here's what we really like from Mailerlite. It's their landing page functionality, right? I have built some landing page to test, and let me tell you guys, they look crisp, like crisp. Like it really looks very good. Also, the mobile version also looks crisp, very nicely done by the people of Mailerlite. Definitely, it's a great feature. It's easy to use. You have all the functionality. You don't have to go in and change mobile settings. They do it for you. You can if you want to, but normally they fix it and they make it perfect the first time around. So I truly like that. And if you're building your website, if you're building your subscribers, you need a landing page so you can get those emails. MailerLite with that free option, or even if you're coming from another platform, their pricing is very good. Okay, so try them. I really recommend this guys. You have also, if you're bringing people over, you have a 30-day free trial. I leave, like I said, the special link below this video so you can check them out. Okay, they integrate with different platforms as well, so you can integrate with Facebook if you're running some audiences over there. If you have your website in WordPress, if you want to maybe start selling something, you can connect it through your Stripe account. So that's really neat. You can start selling for free here right away. WooCommerce and Zapier, right? Zapier, that's that tool that it integrates with all tools and applications out there, but it can get expensive. But they also have their own API, right? So you can develop that integration with other apps for sure. They have a file manager. You can keep your pictures, your videos in one place. Very neat. They have very good templates, actually. They have landing pages. They have a lot of things. Oh, this is my templates. I don't have any templates, but if you go to start building a landing page, they offer you with their own templates, and they look very good. Okay, guys, so that's it. No brainer. Take it. Have a great one. Peace.